Welcome back. In this video, I will guide you how to insert star symbol in Word document. So every Unicode symbol has a specific HX code. In Word, you can type that code and then press Alt X to instantly toggle it into the symbols. So if you want to insert the classic star symbol, then you need to type 2605 and press Alt X together. So for the outline star, you need to press 2606 and press Alt X all together. And for the sparkle and asterisk, you need to press 2731 and press Alt X all together. And if you want to insert 4-pointed star, then press 2726, press Alt X all together. And for the circle star, you need to type 272A and press Alt X all together. So for your convenience, I have insert all the codes here so you can take the screenshot and save in your computer for all your projects. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.